break ID number 5358. 2018 Topps Triple Threads Baseball 1-box break. Go. Two free spots. Travis D.O., Dan, L.A. 4 left in gold label. Alex Bregman to 199. Felix Hernandez to 259. Honus Wagner. That should be an on-card auto. Gary Sanchez. I used to be called Mike Stanton. And vet auto jersey to 18, Torrey Hunter. I like it. Twins. Diane, B.A. And jumbo jersey to 9, Don Mattingly. Don Mattingly holds the record for grand slams in a season with 6. And he had 6 in his entire career. Just happen to know that. Johnny Bench to 50. And something completely different. Johnny Bench to 199. Dustin Pedroia. Barry Larkin. Anthony Rizzo. Nice. Triple jersey to 9. Derek Jeter. Nine of 9. Yankees, Jim, D.O. Nice card. And the last one, I like this one also. Jumbo jersey auto to 99, Christian Arroyo. Tampa Bay. Daniel. W-O. All right. Nice ball.